Today, we'll explore the options for the best monitor in the world, helping you find the perfect match for your needs. Whether you're gaming, working, or just enjoying your favorite shows, there's a monitor out there just right for you. And for your convenience, all the products that I'm going to mention in this video are going to be linked down in the description of this video. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number one on my list is the Samsung 49-inch Odyssey OLED curved gaming monitor priced at $1,278. This monitor offers an expansive 49-inch dual quad high-definition screen, curved to match the natural shape of your vision. With a refresh rate of 240 times per second, it promises an ultra-smooth viewing experience, making it perfect for high-speed games and dynamic videos. The response time is near instantaneous, a mere 0.03 milliseconds, ensuring that you see the action as it happens without any lag. The depth of its black colors is exceptional, thanks to its true black display capability, which provides intense contrast and deep darks without any pixel light bleed. The design is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, with a modern metal finish and a slim profile as its thinnest point. Users have noted its exceptional color depth and expansive view that replaces the need for multiple screens. However, some have mentioned that its build quality and switch controls could be improved, describing the stand as wobbly and the switch mechanism as less intuitive. Overall, it offers a significant visual upgrade that enhances both gaming and professional tasks, making it a solid choice for those looking to invest in a high-performance monitor. Next is the LG UltraGear 34-inch curved gaming monitor, which comes at a price of $529. This monitor stands out with its wide quad high-definition display, which stretches across 34 inches of curved screen, providing a broad and immersive viewing angle. Its super fast 1 millisecond response time reduces motion blur, allowing you to respond quickly during intense gaming sessions. The monitor is equipped with both NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync technologies, ensuring smooth gameplay free from screen tearing and stuttering. With a high dynamic range feature, it delivers bright and realistic colors, making games and videos come to life. The monitor has been particularly praised for its performance in fast-paced games and vibrant display, suitable for both gaming and creative work like video editing. Although it's not the top-performing monitor in the market, its cost-to-performance ratio has been highlighted as very beneficial, especially when found on sale. Reviews frequently mention its easy setup and user-friendly features, making it an excellent buy for those looking for quality at a mid-range price point. Third on the list is the Sansui 27-inch monitor, retailing at an affordable $105. This monitor boasts a 27-inch display that provides vibrant and sharp visuals with its full high-definition resolution, ideal for both office tasks and multimedia entertainment. It supports a refresh rate of 100 times per second, enhancing the smoothness of motion in videos and games. The built-in speakers and multiple connectivity options, including HDMI and DisplayPort, make it a versatile choice for various digital setups. It features a slim, ergonomic design with the ability to tilt, which helps in maintaining a comfortable viewing angle and reduces physical strain over long periods of use. Despite its low price, the monitor delivers decent performance with a wide viewing angle, allowing clear views even from off-center positions. However, some users have reported minor issues with build quality and stability, noting that the base may feel less secure. Its affordability makes it an attractive option for those needing a functional monitor without a hefty investment. For users requiring a straightforward, no-frills display that balances cost and functionality, this Sansui monitor is a compelling choice. Fourth up is the Sceptre 27-inch 4K monitor, priced at $190. This monitor shines with its ultra high-definition resolution, providing 4 times the detail of full high definition. The clarity and precision of the display make it perfect for consuming high-definition content and engaging in detailed creative tasks. It refreshes up to 70 times per second, offering smoother transitions and reducing blurring in fast-moving scenes. This model also features built-in speakers and a variety of connection ports, including multiple HDMI ports and DisplayPort, enhancing its versatility for multimedia setups. Users have praised its exceptional brightness and sharp image quality, making it a standout in the budget 4K monitor market. While it generally receives positive reviews, some have encountered issues like a stuck pixel shortly after setup, which might be a concern for quality-sensitive users. Nevertheless, its combination of a high-resolution display and competitive pricing makes it a top choice for those seeking a budget-friendly 4K experience. Overall, this Sceptre monitor offers substantial value for those wanting to step up to a high resolution without breaking the bank. Last but not least is the KYY 15.5-inch portable monitor, available for just $113. This monitor offers the convenience of portability alongside impressive display technology, featuring a 15.6-inch full high-definition screen that delivers clear and vibrant visuals. Its ultra-slim design and lightweight make it an excellent choice for professionals and students who need a mobile display solution. The monitor supports both USB Type-C and mini HDMI inputs, offering compatibility with a wide array of devices from laptops to gaming consoles. It comes with a durable smart cover that not only protects the device, but also serves as a stand, providing versatile viewing angles. Users have reported great satisfaction with its easy setup and versatility, noting it significantly boosts productivity by extending the laptop's display. Some reviewers have wished for better support tools for using the monitor in portrait mode, which requires additional accessories. Despite these minor setbacks, the KYY portable monitor stands out for its portability, ease of use, and effective functionality, making it ideal for anyone who needs an additional screen on the go. With its combination of affordability, portability, and solid performance, the KYY portable monitor is a fantastic choice for expanding your digital workspace wherever you are. So, in conclusion, whether you're looking for a high-performance gaming monitor, a budget-friendly office screen, or a portable solution for on-the-go tasks, there's a monitor out there to meet your needs. Each option offers unique features and benefits tailored to different preferences and requirements. Consider what's most important for your setup, be it resolution, refresh rate, or portability. Choosing the right monitor can significantly enhance your viewing experience, boost productivity, and elevate your gaming sessions. And don't forget that all the products that I have mentioned in this video are going to be linked down in the description of this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.